Imagine a united Africa where everyone speaks the same language. Sounds powerful, right? Today we explore that possibility with Swahili. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Africa is a continent rich in diversity with over 2,000 languages. This can create barriers in communication, trade, and unity. Swahili, spoken by millions, offers a solution. Swahili is the most widely spoken language in Africa. It connects people from various regions. Its growing importance in global contexts also cannot be ignored. Let's break down why Swahili may be the answer. First, it's a Bantu language with Arabic roots. Next, it's relatively easy to learn. Many simple words and phrases make it accessible. Consider how unity can transform Africa. Having a common language can enhance trade. Businesses thrive when communication flows smoothly. Imagine traveling across Africa and easily conversing with everyone. Swahili is already recognized as an official language. Countries like Kenya and Tanzania use it in government and education. It fosters national identity and pride. Look at music and culture. Swahili songs echo across borders. Many popular artists sing in Swahili, creating a shared cultural experience. In summary, adopting Swahili could unify Africa. It breaks down barriers and builds bridges between diverse people. Imagine a continent that communicates easily, drives economic growth, and celebrates shared culture. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts on making Swahili the language of Africa. Your voice matters in shaping the future. Imagine an Africa where a single language unites everyone. Sounds powerful, doesn't it? Today we delve into this vision through Swahili. Africa showcases immense diversity, boasting over 2,000 languages. This linguistic variety can create obstacles in communication, trade, and unity. However, Swahili, with millions of speakers, presents a viable solution. Swahili holds the title of the most widely spoken language in Africa. It connects individuals from different regions and deserves recognition in global contexts. Let's explore why Swahili could be the key. First, it's a Bantu language influenced by Arabic. Additionally, it is relatively easy to learn, featuring many straightforward words and phrases. Imagine the transformation unity could bring to Africa. A common language would boost trade, allowing businesses to thrive through effective communication. Picture traveling across the continent and effortlessly conversing with everyone you meet. Swahili is already an official language in several countries. Nations such as Kenya and Tanzania incorporate it into government and education. This promotes national identity and pride among citizens. Swahili also resonates in music and culture. Songs in Swahili cross borders, and many popular artists contribute to a shared cultural experience. In conclusion, embracing Swahili could pave the way for a more unified Africa. It would eliminate barriers and forge connections among diverse groups. Imagine a continent where communication is seamless, economic growth flourishes, and culture is celebrated together. Join the discussion. Share your thoughts on making Swahili Africa's language. Your perspective is vital in shaping the future.